So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your BigCommerce store. So the first thing you want to do is open up your BigCommerce panel right here, and there's a few things you will need to do. So in order to create a backup, you will need to export all of your files, and that includes your orders, products, customers, and some other files as well if you have something else on there. So let's go through products first and click on that. You can see all products. You can then see add, search, import, export, categories, options, and so on. And you need to click on export. Once you clicked on that, you can see underneath the built-in templates like the default, so you can use that, or you can use the bulk edit through there. Then you can use which format you want to export, but I suggest you just use CSV. And then after that, you can see save export to the server for later download. So if you click on that, it's just going to check that off as well. You don't have to do that. You can even read up more about this. And after that, you can click on continue, and that export is going to start downloading to your files on this device. After that, you can go to your orders. So if you click on this, if you have any orders, you can just do the same process, and the same is true with your customers. If you have any customers on here, you can also export them through there, and afterwards you will have all the information of your store. It will be backed up to your files on this device. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.